Hello, welcome to the SolidWorks video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to see Rotate Entities option in SolidWorks 2020. Now, Rotate Entities option is basically used in order to rotate the entities in any direction about particular point. Let us first select this option. Here, first of all, we have to select the entities that we want to rotate. Here I have drawn some random hexagon with circle as inscribed circle. And the hexagon consists of 6 edges, and all the 6 edges are basically tangential to this inscribed circle. So in our previous video tutorial we have seen something called as keep relations option. So in this video tutorial we'll understand what is the importance of keep relations, because this inscribed circle is basically tangential to all the 6 edges. So here we have to keep on these options. Now I will select entire hexagon. Here you can see line 1 to 6 and this arc which is inscribed circle. I have kept on this keep relations option. Here the parameters, that is center of rotation. So in this box, when I click on this box and move over sketch, I can see the center of rotation possible options. Okay, randomly I can choose any center of rotation, but I will choose this center of this geometry or this center of this inscribed circle as my center of rotation. When I choose this, and I have to specify the degrees of rotation. Suppose it is 90 degree. Now you can see that this hexagon has got rotated by 90 degree. This was its previous position and this is its final position preview. Okay, so in this way we can rotate the entities. The most important step while using this rotate entities option is wisely choosing the center of rotation. Center of rotation can lie inside this entity or can lie outside the entity, but most important is wise selection of this center of rotation. Suppose I select this center of rotation outside the entity, then what happens? As you can see over here, I increase this degree of rotation, the hexagon is getting enlarged, and when I decrease the degrees of rotation in opposite direction or negative degrees of rotation, then the geometry is getting scaled down. So therefore it is very important to wisely select this center of rotation and make the good use of this option. I can choose any point as my center of rotation and I can rotate the geometry, but here also the wise selection is very important, and how we should select this center of rotation, that is very important, so that geometry doesn't get scale in or scale out. That's all in this video tutorial. In our upcoming video tutorials we are going to see scale entities and stretch entities option one by one. That's all. Thank you.